What's up guys, today we got an STI part over from Subi Speed. Yeah, today's gonna be a good day for an install. What's up guys, thank you guys for watching another video on the channel. Guys, we finally have another install for the STI. It's been a fat minute since I put parts on this car. As you can see from the box from Subi Speed, some of you guys can probably guess what it is already. It was a really tough choice trying to decide between the two taillights I was deciding with, and I was taking account of it with looking at the pictures on IG, just comparing cars with this tail light and the other tail light. But one convinced me more than the other, and I did decide to go with the ones I got right now. But yeah, I really think these tail lights are gonna flow really good with the car. I don't know, just something about the tail light is just gonna make the rear end even better. As you can see, I do have a gurney flap and the rear spats, a tome. I covered all that in my previous video. You guys could feel free to check that out. So yeah, let's get started with this taillight install. I'm so pumped to see how it turned out. So excited about this. Let's get to it. Alright guys, to start off, I will be removing the pop-up clips. I'm supposed to have one right here. And I'll also be removing the one up here. That way it will expose the bolts behind the tail light. And that way we can take off the tail light. Alright guys, this is the back of the tail light. We have 3 bolts, and they're 8mm bolts. And yeah, so we'll just take off the bolts and just disconnect the wiring, and yeah, it should be that easy to take off the tail light. Alright guys, and from here we just have to disconnect this right here. You just pull the little clip right here, pull it down, and then you pull out, and there you should be ready to pull out the tail light. Okay guys, so now we just pull out the tail light. Make sure your wiring is tucked in. There will be a clip up here, so you pretty much have to pull kind of hard, not too hard, but just hard enough to unclip it. So yeah, you just, and there. And this is the clip I was telling you about. Just pull it with enough strength to unclip it. Yeah, you got behind the tail light and the tail light. Alright guys, all we gotta do now is just put the bolts back in and connect the wiring, and we're set. As you saw from the box, I got these from Subi Speed, and I will have the link down in the description in case if you guys want to get the same tail light. Alright guys, before we go any further, I'm going to show you guys a comparison of the two tail lights. We do have the stock tail lights on the left, and we do have the new Subi Speed tail lights on the right. Honestly, I think it looks good. The new tail lights look way better than the stock ones, in my opinion. Yeah guys, so I will be changing the third brake light. As you can see, I do have the smoked one, and I do want to get the clear third brake light so it can match with the taillights. But yeah, I still have to order that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the new tail lights. Let me know down in the comments. Do you guys like the new tail lights, or do you guys like the stock? Let me know. All right, guys, we have one tail light down. Let's finish this up real quick and take that ugly ass stock tail light off real quick. Alright guys, and you guys can see these are sequential, and actually in the back of the tail light there is a switch where you could just turn it into just a single pink mode, just like that, and then back to sequential. So yeah guys, I'm actually liking how it looks, and I really love the sequential, so that's how it's gonna stay. Yeah guys, so you guys go. I really do like how I can see the reverse light flashing in the third brake light now as well. You can see like the little white right here when you reverse as well. Love that. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on the STI. The tail lights are on. I promise I will be posting more content soon. I do have parts on the way, so stay tuned for that. I appreciate the support guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, stay safe, stay blessed.